Yes. Hey y'all, my name is Rachel, and so I'm coming to you with a Sephora haul, so please stay tuned. Yes. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Hey, y'all. So my name is Rachel, coming to you with a Sephora haul. And what can I say? I went a lot of bit crazy. And I don't even know if I'm done yet. But so far, this is what I've picked up at the sale. So this one, I'm actually just doing a reveal because it is a lot. I actually have been saving for this to make sure that I don't have to skim on the products that I get, to make sure that if I want it, I buy it. A good tip for that, just like as an average person, what I do is every paycheck, which is every 2 weeks, I put anywhere from $50 to $100 in a actual Sephora savings fund, and that's my fun money. That's what I like to do. Like, I save money in other types of savings accounts for other things, but I have a Sephora savings account just for the VIB sales, so I love it that much. So to start, first thing that I'm like the most excited for, and it was an amazing deal, is the Fenty lip collection. I actually saw online today, they're actually coming out with a summer collection, which is a couple more colors. But this is like 10 of all the shades that they had come out with previously. So I will, if you like, be doing a swatch video. This, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I don't even know what color I'm gonna see first. I actually already bought this one. This one I quit. This is a beautiful muted color. Also have, I'm black. Yes, bitch, I'm black. So try that. I've never really been a black lipstick wearer, but first of all, it comes as a beautiful set like this. And second off, I like to explore and experiment when it comes to lipsticks. So having a set where I can try out different colors and they all come together. And one thing I liked about this is that it was $105 online, and then I got a 20% discount on top of that. So I think that they said that the value initially is like $180 value. So that was almost like a 50% off type of situation. So this is something that I love. So that's a goodie. I also have wanted to try out more Pat McGrath products. So I got the Pat McGrath, this one is the Skin Show Trio. So I bought one of my best friends one of this same type of trio, but in like the reddish pinkish one, and it was very hard for her to open it at her birthday dinner, so I'm not going to open this one quite yet, but this is something that I would definitely love. And once again, this is on top of all my Pat McGrath. That was really what I wanted to do, was buy lots of Pat McGrath to give out some of her products a try, because I've heard nothing but good things. So this one here should be Flesh 6, and it is. And I thought it was gonna be more brown. This is almost more coral. Oh, and I got swatches from another video that I did on my hands. Let me clean that off a little bit. All right, so that is definitely like a coralish some color. I thought it was brown, so Flesh apparently is not brown. I thought Flesh was brown. Sorry about that. But I definitely think that's nice. And I love the packaging on this. Like most time when you get a lip gloss, just get like a single lip gloss. But this comes in beautiful packaging, which I will probably keep. So love that. So while we're on Pat McGrath, there should be some more Pat in here. This is one of her lipsticks that I am so excited to try. Once again, cute little packaging. Love this. Opens up, has cardboard, little piece of paper that I'll never need. But let's get down to what I'm looking for. The lipstick. So I got it in the color Lavish, or it better be Lavish. So it is Lavish. Oh my gosh. If I purchase one more rosy mauve, I'm going to purchase another rosy mauve, but this one is gorgeous. And I already have another color on, but I'll do a swipe. Yeah, that's me. My name is Rachel. I love rosy mauve. You're gonna see like 20 rosy mauves, and yes, they're all different. Thank you. But I'm very excited about this. I want to give it several pats. That's why I also got the lip trio, so I can try multiple colors all at once. And I think there should be one more pat, and there is. And once again, like, when does eyeliner show up in this type of packaging? It's probably what adds the extra $5 to the price, but I don't care, because I saw this on one of Sephora's videos that they do talk about different products. It's supposed to be very long lasting. And if you saw my last video, I have a thing for browns. And this one is beautiful. It's more of like a brownie brown. This one was Manhattan. It's a little redder than I was expecting, but the fact is I want to have different shades of brown because I wear mauve rose and I wear brown, and that's kind of my thing. But when it comes to this, I see lots of usage, and it comes with a pencil sharpener, which, yeah, okay. The next product. I probably should have organized this, but really it's just going to be how it comes out of the box, so it is what it is. This is the Honey Glow, and I bought 2 of these because I wanted to get good jeans, but after actually receiving this in my Sephora play last month, I noticed that this actually is better on my acne than good jeans. So, and it has salicylic acid and AHA is about 14% in one product, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so that's like a hydrator. So it's like kind of an all-in-one with better ingredients. So I tried to do this over the good jeans this go around. So let me stick with makeup because I got lots of skincare. And it's going to be hard to separate the two. So I'll come back to skincare. So I just kind of threw that one up in there. So let's see what else is coming out. Oh, and this is another Fenty product. I'm starting to see trends of certain brands I like. I like Pharmacy, I like Pat McGrath, I like Fenty, I like Laura Mercier, NARS, you'll see more of those, Marc Jacobs, so don't just, there's certain, oh my gosh. And this here is the Penny For You Thought, so gorgeous. And something I did notice when I swatched this at the store that I don't think that a lot of people when they're doing reviews is that it actually has a very glittery type of like flecks in there. So it does almost like a bronzy, so I'm going to use it. I like to a lot of times have like a brownish color where it hints. So I'm gonna hit that there, and then I'll probably have like a nice bronzer here. But I've been wanting this, and I haven't bought the bronzers yet. I'm thinking that by the time the end of the VIB sale, or probably this weekend, I'm going to really commit to see if I want to get the bronzers, which I'm hinting towards probably going to be a yes. So that's still on my list, so definitely excited about that. And let's go to another lip product. All right, this one right here, I do subscribe to Sephora Play. So I know that sometimes people complain about Sephora Play and the size, and it's too small, and this and that, and this and that. But when I get samples from the Sephora Play, it makes me want to know what I'm going to buy in actual size. So this here is the Marc Jacobs Trio. This is one of the best pencil formulas I have ever tried. And I buy lots of lip products. You can even see here that I get lip products like lips are my favorite thing to accentuate on my face, so I like lots of colors. I like to try different formulas. I like mattes, I like shimmers, I like satin, so it just varies. But when I tried this on, I was absolutely in love. And so I like the fact that it comes with 3 different colors. I already had this one, but actually lost the sample size of it. But this right here is like a reddish. It almost reminds me of like the Fenty Fever Fetish. And I'll actually show some of these because I have another mauve pink. So actually, let's do the mauve pink because I have not swatched this one. Oh my gosh. So let's put that here. But look at that. It goes on so smooth. The color is super gorgeous. That is one of my go-to colors that I'm always going to try. This right here, if you have not tried these trios, like, these are an investment. These are worth it. I love them. This is possibly one of my, if not my favorite formula that I've ever tried in terms of lip products. It's that good. So that is a goodie. And so in terms of makeup, I have two more makeups, and then some skincare. So I also got the NARS Orgasm. And this here was just mainly, I wanted to try something from the latest collection. I did not want to try the blush, the set, because I really don't like the combination of a cream blush. I'm kind of more of like a powder blush type person. So I didn't think that that was something that's gonna be a good fit. And even when I tried Orgasm is not a blush for me. I have one of the NARS, like the original cheek palette, and I love that because the colors are almost like the color I have today, where it's like a flushy, pinky color, and it's not too whitewashed. I think that the Orgasm is just a little too light for my taste. But this here has there's a little scent, but no real scent to it. And this is just like a clear gloss. It's very silky. This is one of those things that, do I have to have it in my life? No. Am I going to? Yes. So I love the packaging. I love that it has the orgasm saying on it. Lady can never have too many orgasms. Maybe I need one. Don't get too many of those. But that's besides the point. Not trying to overshare. I do apologize. And then also, this is just a restock. This is the creamy concealer in Amande, means almond in French. So this is just something I've already had, so that's nothing special. Then also I got the Kush eye gel. I am, like, when it comes to my eyebrows, I don't like to have super done eyebrows, especially in the morning time. I will just put a little bit of line, gel it, and I'm out the door within a couple minutes. So I always like to try to pick up the gel. Oh, and this is some of the skincare. And actually, it's more skincare than I thought was gonna be in here. Let's get into the end of the box. So have a couple things. Here is the Lancome, and this is the Genifique. I keep hearing great reviews about this, especially in terms of like fine lines and giving a longer complexion. Like, black don't crack, so I don't have to worry about like wrinkles and things of that nature too much. But I do smile a lot. I'm a very happy person, but I have like laugh lines. And especially when it comes to makeup, I don't care if I set it with powder, if I like try to avoid that area, do this when I'm trying to apply. No matter what happens, I get those creases around my mouth. So I'm hoping that this will have some type of plumping action, so that way it can have an effect on my fine lines, and then just give an overall more youthful appearance. So that one, very excited to try this. This is a makeup. I skipped this one. This is the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. So I got this because I have texture on top of my cheeks. So I wanted something that is going to be able to set. Laura Mercier, they make my favorite setting types of powders. I have their pressed powder. I have the loose powder with the one that's tinted. So I use that overall. This here, I was going to get specifically to use right around my cheek area, to try to smooth that out. But I already can tell, I got this in a 5. Once I ordered this online on either Friday or Saturday, and then I went into the store and I decided I'm going to get this in a 6. So I'm actually going to return this because I want to get a darker shade. That one is a 5. I'm going to go down one more shade to make sure that it's going to be a better match because I don't want to highlight that area. That's an area that I'm going to try to create a shadow with to give me more cheekbone definition. So I want to have something a little bit darker to be able to do that with. And then the last couple of the skincare, because I kind of jumped around there at the end. This one is called Edible Beauty. And this is their Turmeric Beauty Latte to clear and brighten. When it comes to products that I buy, there's certain ingredients that I always gravitate towards, and turmeric is one of them. And so that is on here, and it also has aqua, mushrooms, turmeric is, that's clip glycerin, and then turmeric is the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's within the top 5 ingredients on the product list, and I actually haven't seen too many YouTubers doing reviews on this particular brand. So I'm actually really excited to give this a try, just to try to give me a more brightened appearance. So this is something I am very excited about. But if you've tried Edible Beauty, please comment below and like and subscribe while you're down there. Just if you've tried Edible Beauty, because it's supposed to be so clean that you can actually eat it. I don't plan on that. It costs a little too much to be trying to eat it, but I like that the ingredient list, like I actually was searching on Sephora.com for products with turmeric, and actually I was looking at this next product, which is the Incan list, and I was looking at their turmeric moisturizer. And what happened was I own way too many moisturizers, so it just wasn't practical for me to buy another moisturizer, but I did want to buy something with turmeric, and that's how I stumbled on Edible Beauty. So then the inking list, I actually heard about this from another YouTuber, and I've seen it on their website, but I've never heard about the brand. But once again, I have acne prone skin, so something with salicylic acid was what I was looking towards. So this is the beta hydroxy acid. So I'll probably use this one at night, and then I'll use the Honey Glow during the day. So that way I can just make sure I'm keeping my skin as clean as possible. And then this next thing is one of my replacements. I have had the Beauty Water before. The Beauty Water is freaking awesome. It's like a little spa. It makes me feel like I should be just sipping someone's vineyard on their wine or whatever those people do. But this, it just makes me feel fancy and pretty. But normally just by itself, the Beauty Elixir is $49. So this particular set is $49 as well, but you also get to try the foaming cleanser, and then it also comes with a skin perfecting mattifying fluid. So I'm actually really excited to try the mattifying fluid, because I have had a set like this before, and it came with a clay mask that I still own and haven't used. I still heard it's great. I love Quality's products, but I just haven't got around to masks. I have so many masks. After a while, you'll start looking through my videos. I have tons of subscription boxes, so I get different, like a lot of times the subscription boxes have certain things they always put in there. They love to put clay masks, they love to put lipstick or lip gloss, they love to put mascara. So those are things I get lots and lots and lots of, and I don't always get to try. So when it comes to a clay mask, it's on my list of something to try, but it's just not high up there. But when it comes to this Beauty Elixir, this is a go-to. So as you can see, I did go a little crazy, and I still think there's a couple things that are on my list, because I think I'm going to get still the Versali setting spray, the Fenty bronzer. There's a Lingerie or whatever. They say they make the sleeping lip mask balm. They have a new lip balm in grapefruit that I'd be really excited to try. And there's one other thing, but I can't think of it off the top of my mind. So that means that I probably don't need to buy it if it's just not something that I'm impulse, because everything that I purchased I'm in love with, and I don't even know what to try on first. But once again, if you like more videos, more content, any suggestions, please like and subscribe. I am a beauty lover, and I love to share my beauty love with you. Bye. Have a good day.